Sopoka introduced the extension socket, L series. There are two types of wire length, 2.5 meters and 4.5 meters, with options of 3, 4, 5, 6 outlets with load capacity up to 2200 watts. The socket equipped a super durable button, 3000 watts, switching on-off up to 50,000 times. Design suitable for plug type A and type C, which is Southeast Asia, Brazil and the around areas. The socket using high-quality copper pole helps prevent ignition. Also the strong spring clamps to avoid short circuit and heat-proof porcelain core with heat-resistant up to 1300 Celsius degree. The cover is made of good impact resistance ABS plastic. Choosing a good quality electric socket is a way to protect your safety and the whole family. Sopoka, worth the money.